found out today that you and Brennan don't know the national anthem.
Well, we know some of it. I never had to sing it in school, and so I never really learned it. I've heard it before.
That's really fair.
And so we're gonna sing it for you guys. Okay, you ready?
Whenever you're ready.
The national anthem.
All right.
Our country's national anthem. Just to be clear, this country.
I was gonna sing Italy.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Wait, what's our key?
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light
what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming,
whose bright stars
bright stars through the peril of
fire something we're so
proudly. No, we already did that part, didn't we? And the rockets are red glare. We didn't ask you to sing.
Oh, the ramparts when we.
Well, I don't even know that.
And the
wait.
something.
Do you know it?
Don't help them. Don't help them.
What is it?
They don't know how to sing the national anthem.
Okay, wait.
Oh, me neither.
Do you not? Wait, come on. Okay, ready?
Okay, so then it goes, where are we now?
And the ram.
And the rockets.
And the rockets ram flare. What's
The
that
bombs bursting in air. We
Through the night.
No, Jordy! Don't give them the answer.
Oh, saved us that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Brett, start from the beginning. Start from the beginning.
Oh, say, can you see by dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming? Stop.
What stripes and bright stars. The perilous fight. Yeah.
Through the perilous fight. All the ramparts?
Yes.
All the ramparts we watched
Yes.
were so gallantly gleaming.
No.
Streaming?
Yeah, streaming. Like
Streaming.
online, not.
I don't know what the gallons. I don't know what the gallons are, so I don't know what they can do.
America, our ramparts missiles.
Well, this was written a long time ago,
Well,
dude.
they never
Like
know.
1800s,
So stuff can't fly yet.
maybe 1700s.
They had catapults. Anything that goes flying is like a missile.
Yeah, they had
Missile?
catapults.
Missile.
Where's somebody else?
Missile. We're in America, we pronounce it missile.
All right, we're finding out. Define rampart. A defensive wall of a castle or walled
It's
city.
over
Yeah, that's what I
ramparts.
thought. The ramparts are like, I don't know. I've probably heard it in
No, the
Assassin's Creed at
ramparts.
some
No,
point.
it's over ramparts we watched. So it's over
That
the
we're
castle
gallantly
walls.
streaming.
No, something else is gallantly streaming.
I don't know how
The flag. The flag is gallantly
There you
streaming.
go.
These
There you go.
palace walls, but I don't know how it goes.
You know what I could probably do is the Constitution, thanks to Schoolhouse Rock. You know,
Oh, yeah.
We the people, in order to form a more perfect union.
You know that, but you don't know the national
If you gave me like 5 minutes to get started on it, I could do, you know, that Washington speech from Hamilton.
Oh my God.
Oh, which Washington speech?
Like his closing speech.
Reflection out.
George Washington.
Our national anthem had been written by the same people that did Schoolhouse Rock. Maybe I would remember it.
Honestly, yeah.
Escape them and rage them out.
Yeah.
I go friends for more funds. I come back for more guns and ships and so they mountain ships. We rendezvous with motion boat, consolidate their gifts. We can end this war
With
of
the
Yorktown,
flame
cut them off at sea. For this to succeed, there's someone else we need. Hamilton, so he knows what to do to lead.
So much better than fun.
No one has more resilience or measures by practical technical brilliance.
He's going.